Moleni guys, it's your boy General Amu and General Kanyo in the house. So this is season 1 episode 3 and the creator is Ela Malaga Wafane La Chica La Neville. Let me start you guys in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ela Malaga Wafane La chica la neville, Oliza inundenda o gaga. E mama we control, e nyova yiki trula, e basala na wema o gakale. E mama we control, e nyova yiki trula, basala na wema o gakale. Amma how ye come to and over he get true love Bajalana Wema Ongakale Eng it's a Shabune How Shabune Ongakale Now I come to control of Bajalana Wema Ongakale Enye Tabanu Kayumanu Ya Papa Mara Mani Uya Papa Mani Onuya Gaga Enye Temalaga Wafane La Tira La Defele Iyo ma Ongakale Shabune Ayete Shabune Shabune Ongakale Ongakale yeah Ongakale get mananga ofanema Otigala nevele Ultima ngizole Ongakale Ongakale yeah Ongakale Angitu yambo Nukanyo mani Mbele Jabulo 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 Ongakale Ongakale Angitu yambo Nukanyo mani Mbele Jabulo 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 Ongakale Ongakale Ke Shabune 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 Ongakale Ke Shayaga Pagat Shayaga Pagat Shayaga Pagat Ongakale Shut my guys, my little brother is crying right now. So I'll do season 1 episode 4 on the next one. See you later guys.